I'm warning you guys ahead of time. This might be a long video. I might take the full 3 minutes. I'm hearing from some of my content creator friends that people who have lost money in crypto recently are spreading a lot of hate and blame. And let me tell you something. When you first got into investing in crypto, you might not have realized this, but you really only had two choices. You could either buy cryptos that you believe in, hold them long term, not be stressed about the day to day, and let things ride for 1, 2, 3, or 5 years and hope that you become financially successful that way. Or you could try to time the market, which is a lot of you guys are doing. Try to time the market, day trade, get stressed out about tiny little movements in the market from day to day or week to week, and have a lot of stress and angst in your life, and maybe even be delusional that you can time the market perfectly and get rich quickly. And what you're experiencing now is that strategy leads to a lot of stress. The market doesn't always do what you want it to do. So you're in a position now where you might have lost some money. I would challenge you to put your big boy pants on, learn your lesson, grow up, and realize that day trading or swing trading crypto or timing the market and trying to buy in at a certain point does not always work out, especially short term, is going to lead to a lot of stress. Now, if you believe in crypto, if you believe it will recover long term, then take a deep breath, hold on to your positions, and go think about something else in life. If you don't believe it'll recover, if you've lost your faith in crypto, take your losses, start doing something else with your time, start learning about how to start a business or go to the beach or go on a vacation, and move on. Those are really the only two mentally healthy choices. Or do what I've done. I hate 9-to-5 jobs and I hate financial stress so much that I have built my financial freedom around diversification, having multiple sources of income, owning real estate that pays me income while I wait. My mentor used to say, it pays you while you wait, which means that I'm collecting income that pays for my groceries and pays for my health insurance and pays for my gas for my car, whether real estate is high or low. I don't like that kind of stress. I don't like to try to time the market and have the market go up or down and be day trading. So that's my advice to you. Realize what you got yourself into and how you're going to get yourself out, rather than just waiting for the market to do what you want it to do, because that's a recipe for long-term stress. Love you guys. Thanks for listening. I did that all in 3 minutes without one pause.